For more than 100 years, farmers have relied on tractors to help them keep up with the demands of farming. For more than 20 years, Dawson Tire Wheel has provided farmers and dealers the wheels and tires they need for their fields and applications. Farmers and their tools have not just fed America. The revolution in farming and farm equipment has fed the world. So to celebrate everything America's farmers have accomplished, we're giving away an iconic restored tractor. This John Deere 3010 diesel was once a workhorse on America's farms. Now it's a beautifully restored piece of history and an icon of a simpler time. This giveaway isn't for everyone, just everyone who appreciates farm machinery and the progress these timeless machines heralded for the agricultural industry. If you want to own this piece of history, visit dawsontire.com/giveaway to enter today.